say that it feels right.
Hey guys, I'm back at you with another video today. This is going to be how you can scan receipts to earn money and cash back and or gift cards with the application called Receipt Hog. So if you want to make some money on the side by scanning receipts, stay tuned to this video. Okay guys, so I've adjusted my angle here and I've got a little receipt that I haven't used yet, so I can show you guys how this application works. So in order to do this, I'm going to go to my receipt folder for applications using receipts, and we'll click on Receipt Hog. Now this one, I think there was a waiting list at one point, but you should be able to get into it at some point or another. I've been in it for a couple months, I believe, and I haven't cashed out yet, but as you can see, I'm level 7. The more levels you get, the better pay you get for scanning receipts. This app is cool because it also has a slot machine section. So I've got 6 slots I can do right now. You earn those over time and you can win coins, which I've got 797. So that's how you can earn coins and other prizes. If you go to rewards here, you can actually trade in coins for cash, gift cards, or goods. You can connect your Amazon account and it'll scan e-receipts automatically for you, as well as your email. It'll go through there from your different purchases and combine them so you get the coins back for those. And you can do surveys, but I don't really care to do those other than swag bucks. But as you can see, we have Amazon, Visa, PayPal. So for Amazon, it takes 1,000 coins for $5.
Hey guys, I forgot to mention that the Visa and PayPal redemption options have a minimum cash out of $5.
So that's really not that bad considering you're just scanning apps, or you're just scanning receipts. So we're going to go home here, and as you can see, if you do take pictures of receipts each week of the month, you get a bonus, and usually that helps you level up and earn more overall. So we're going to touch the camera section here, and as you can see, I'm going to adjust the camera, but we're just going to line it up the best we can with the flash on, with the receipt edge, as you can see. And if you have a really long receipt, see it says long receipt, snap more, you can actually take one section of it, take a picture, and then take the other section that you need, or so on and so forth. So this app is kind of nice because you can extend the receipt if it's a very long receipt. So now that we like the picture and we don't have a long receipt, we're going to click done. And as you can see, it shows you the quality, so you can check it before you submit it. We're just going to click submit receipt, and then it will ask you who went on this trip. Select all that apply. It was just me, so I hit that, and then it says how was your trip. I'll give it 5 stars. Thanks for the receipt and feedback. And it shows you all of your receipts that you've done, and then it shows that it's processing right now. As you can see, I've scanned quite a few receipts. So fast food works on this application, GameStop, basically almost any receipt works with this as well. So I know this video wasn't very long, you guys. It's pretty straightforward if you ask me. You basically just get paid to scan receipts, like the CoinOut application that we reviewed. And if you would like to see the CoinOut application where you also get paid to scan receipts, there should be a link to the card up above right here, so you can click on that video if you'd like. If you do want to see more phone farming videos, as well as how to make money online with your smartphone or computer, and other types of videos and vlogs as well, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, please. Any support is appreciated, so hit that subscribe button below and the push bell notification so you're notified each and every time I upload a new video. Smash that like button for me, share with your friends who want to make money and or family, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, have a great day, peace out.